But if the forecast is even half correct, we are going to have some serious snow. Now, we live in northern Ohio, and of course, there's snow on the ground. Been snow on the ground for the last week or two. We get snow throughout the years. We've had some pretty good sized snow. The last probably 4 or 5 years, I could say, we really haven't had much snow. A couple inches here and there, a couple times. But this weekend, as of this recording, it is Thursday afternoon. Starting Saturday evening through the night into Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, into Monday morning, they're saying we could get quite a bit of snow for here. I've heard 1 inch. I've heard 1 to 3 on Saturday night. I've heard another 5 to 8, or first 3 to 5, or even 5 to 8 on Sunday, maybe a couple more that night. Last year, we didn't get much snow, and I have a snow blower. I don't think I even got it out last year. If you can see the boys, they're removing the snow blower from storage because we were getting ready for it. We're going to document the entire experience, actually see how much snow we get. We can measure it. And we have a party on Saturday, which is going to take place, I think. It's going to be beforehand. And we got some services and festivities on Sunday that I think are going to get canceled. Right, so it's still snowing. And this is Sunday morning around 11 a.m. Didn't get any snow really yesterday evening like they were originally calling for. And then it started snowing throughout the night. I woke up this morning, only an inch or two of snow. It was not snowing, but it's snowing now. And they're still calling for possibly anywhere from 5 to 8 inches of snow. We'll see. He's ready. Ready to run the snowblower? I'm gonna document the whole experience. All right, so you got Brady down here. Riding the snowblower, driving the snowblower, pushing the snowblower, I guess you'd say. Only got about 3 or 4 inches right there. See how he does. He's realizing when it's windy, it'll go in your face.
Matt. Well, you won't be once you get out of here. Oh, good.
What are you eating, Lincoln?
I am eating a Taco Bell, but it's not. It's a soft taco shell with nacho cheese in it, a little shell, and then cheese and meat in it.
All right, it's like almost 6 o'clock Sunday evening. Still snowing. It's still snowing. Hasn't stopped. Okay, so that's kind of a drift. I don't know. We had 3 or 4 inches earlier. We had probably about 3 or 4 in the second round. Trying to get it ready because I got to go to work in the morning. And we'll see. I might have to shovel again in the morning. But Brady's out here shoveling by the road. All right, so headed to work. The road has been plowed, I'd say, at least once. The guy had to be plowed at least once, but it's been a little bit. See what the main road looks like here in a minute. All right, main road is clear. I mean, it's got a little snow on it, but it's been plowed several times. You can see some of the lines.
So much clearer in a video than it is standing here.